What's going on, guys? My name is Sophia, and today this is the second video. I think you have seen the rocket video. So yeah. So next is the spider video. But first I have to wash this. Okay guys, I'm just gonna wash out my shirt. It's not mind I do this. But you wet my shirt. It smells bad inside, but still. Okay.
But you wet my shirt before.
Yeah. I don't know what we're gonna make. Okay, so today we're gonna make a catapult. Wrong. It's not spider. It's catapult. Because
Like the rocket will just crash and get fired.
yeah, I'm gonna make a catapult. So first thing, you need a straw.
You
But
need
no bendy part. No bendy part. It's okay. This point straw. Okay.
Bendy.
No, not bendy in the ink machine. Wait. Before you tape it to the bottle,
Two shots.
you have to take it to the launcher. Wait, we're gonna test it first, okay, guys? Yeah.
Like the rocket's crashing. Kill the rocket. You have to shoot the rocket first with the long gun. Do it. Do it, Ate.
Later. Okay, guys, it's already done. So it should look like this. And next, wait, we have to this. Let me use this. I don't know what's this.
That's a razor cube.
Wait. Seriously. I think.
So we need to hold something.
Oh yeah, it needs something to hold it. But I think it's not gonna work.
Go frog.
Good. Doing. Seriously? We're gonna do it again. This run.
You're not doing wrong. You're doing right.
Doing. Oh.
It's just backwards.
It just works, but it just goes backwards.
It must be front.
Boing. See?
It always goes backwards, so you need
So,
something
but first I have to break this.
So that's mine. I drink that.
Yeah, you drink this at the car.
And there's something down there.
You drank this at the car.
Yeah, but I drink that home too.
Get this outfit.
Also the thingy in the bottom.
Why is this so hard to get out?
I'm going to do it.
Wait, no.
Pew! 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 Pew!
Shut up. Yeah. This is gonna be in our next episode, the fishing rod. So this will go here. So guys, hey, that will be our fishing rod video. Just borrow. So next, yeah. Hey. Okay, next. Oh. You get a tape thing.
Tape thing?
No.
I'm gonna get something.
We're gonna put it at the middle. Of course, I like putting stuff in the middle.
There's something down here out there.
Doing.
It goes backwards only.
Yeah, it does go backward.
It does not really look like it can. Sorry, Ate. I have to fix this.
Okay. It's your turn.
I have to fix this, Ate. You're mine. Where's the scissor?
Doing.
Where's the scissor, Ate?
Right there. You see it. Okay, guys. So it's already done. It should look like this. But if you want a different stand, you can like.
Do it like that.
So we're gonna test.
How?
Doing. Whoa, it hurts.
You said that hurts. So that hurts.
I said it works.
Oh.
So
I have to fix
Wait,
this
I
one.
need to put a cover
Yeah, we have to put a cover inside.
so it will not.
Fall.
Yeah, it will not.
But it'll still stick.
No, it will not stick.
Yo.
Okay.
Yo.
Stop singing. Okay, got that done. Wait, where's the? Oh,
Noob.
you can just get.
You didn't watch?
Doing.
You didn't watch Stealing Noob's house. But don't
I know I
watch it.
forgot to watch.
But you didn't watch it.
Hey,
So you have to put a cover there to win.
doing.
You just hit by
Well, no, the camera.
Hmm.
Okay. Okay, that's fine.
Go, shut up.
Doing.
Go forward
It
now.
works.
Yeah, it works.
Girls and boys, it works. I think I have to change this part.
foot. Like
What
this?
change foot? I'm gonna pause it
Watch the video.
because I'm gonna change this. I'm gonna change the holder.
Die.
Okay. Sorry about the camera. So we got. It's supposed to be like this. There's like a cover right there.
Yeah.
Like that. We do it
Like-
like
like-
that. And then, hey, where's Mr. Chicken? Here it is.
Chicken head. Chicken head.
Okay, make sure you can get the paper and throw it down. Oh, it works! The catapult works. Wait,
It broke.
it's not broken.
That broke
The catapult works. Look at this, guys. It fell down.
Yeah, it fell down. I told you.
Swing. See, it worked.
I'll
But
see.
not that far because if you do it more far down, it's gonna like
Fly up in the sky.
doing.
Let's fly up in the sky.
Oh, I love this. So cool. Wee.
Just
But I think I have
You
to
can-
change.
comment below. You can make anything you want.
Yeah, comment below what activity can you make.
You can make a rocket ship, a fixing rod, a catapult,
You can make a solar system,
or a sword.
a rocket ship,
A golden sword.
anything,
Anything you want.
a straw.
A straw. What's a straw?
You know what's a straw?
What?
It's a straw. This one.
Straw?
A straw. Straw, whatever.
Whatever. What is stupid paper? Stupid paper.
You said the bad word.
Stupid paper. Go inside.
Papi, that's a bad word.
No, you're gonna shoot in your face.
Well, it actually sounds like a catapult.
What?
I fell. We're gonna do like a one paper piece.
I tried. I don't want to try.
No, not yet. I have a test. Never mind, it didn't fall. Let's wait.
Try
Let's
the
try
sound.
Mr. Chicken. He flies.
It flies up. Mr. Chicken, you said. How about a straw? I'm gonna try.
Okay, you have to make your own in your next video, okay?
I'll try. I don't want to try. I will try. They go backwards.
Sometimes it goes forward. Wait,
But aren't you? Just straw.
see?
Just do it backwards.
I think you need a string so you can like pull. So I'm just gonna get a string, guys.
But only.
Okay, we got a yellow string. So
So we have to tie.
I don't know if this is gonna work, guys. Okay.
It doesn't have to work. Just work it. Work it.
You guys stop. Stop. I'm telling you, stop.
Just do it. Pull it, Daddy. Daddy, pull it. Daddy, pull it.
Oh,
I'm gonna try.
wait, no.
I'm
Okay.
good at that. I'm good at that.
Pulled it. No, it's not good at tying. I'm never good at tying. Wait,
I'm not good.
I'm gonna get a long rope. Okay, I got a long yellow rope
Yellow. I got a yellow.
or string.
You can each any cannon you can get a Coca-Cola cannon, a juice cannon. Yeah.
A juice can.
Yeah.
Any kind of juice can.
Yeah, juice can or Coca-Cola can. You can choose gray can.
Look at this, guys. Doing.
I'll try.
Wait a
Wait.
minute. Kapit mainit.
Come with a minute.
Kapit mainit. So, guys, if you wanna make cannon bolts, you just get your straw pieces. That's the best cannon bolts you can have. Straw pieces.
Hey, you shoot in the cannon.
Sorry, I'm shooting everywhere.
Where's the tape?
Okay, guys, I got my cannon.
Where's
Cannon
the
bolts. I got my cannon bolts.
Post.
Bolt.
Bolts.
Bolts. I think I need some more. Just make straw pieces.
Give me the tape. Give me Caesar. Can you cut this, please?
You cut it.
I
Okay,
can-
here.
I cannot do it. It's always
Okay, I got
flipping.
my cannon bolts. Look at this.
That's hard to make.
And next,
I have to tape it. The yellow straw.
okay. Let's see my bolts if they work. Go the other side and wait.
Okay, I got it. I got the yellow balls. Look, there's the yellow thing to shoot fast.
Okay.
Go! Just go. Go here.
What? Why is it not working? Wait.
Put it down. Oh, down, Natty. Down. Down, Natty. Down.
What? It's now what? Wait. I just have to try it.
Tape
Wait,
it.
I'm gonna ask. Okay, finally, I tied it properly now. And look at this cannon. You're supposed to pull it at the down. So, wait. Let's do it again. Doing. Oh, look at this, guys. Look at this. Down, down. Boing. It works. Yes, my experiment worked. Okay, that's all for today, guys. And go watch my other videos and please like and subscribe.